Today, you will learn how to insert tick and cross symbols in Word in seconds. First, place your cursor exactly where you want to insert the tick or cross symbol. Hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and press the period key, which is the full stop key. This opens the Windows Emoji and Symbols panel. You will see a search box at the top. Click inside the search box and type the word check if you want to insert a tick mark. Windows will display different check mark symbols that you can choose from. Simply click the symbol you like, and it will be inserted directly into your Word document. If you need a cross symbol instead, open the same panel again by pressing Windows key and period. Then type cross into the search box. Several cross symbols will appear. Click the one you want, and it will be inserted instantly into your document. Now, let's look at another method that works well, especially if you are using an older version of Microsoft Word, or if you prefer using Word's built-in tools. Click the Insert tab at the top of the Word window. In the Symbols section, click Symbol. A small menu will open. If you do not see the tick or cross symbol there, click More Symbols. Find the Font drop-down menu and select Wingdings. The Wingdings font contains many useful symbols, including tick marks and cross marks. Scroll through the symbols until you find the tick or cross you want to use. Click on the symbol, then click the Insert button. The symbol will be added to your document. When you are finished, click Close. After inserting a tick or cross, you can format it just like normal text. You can make it bigger, smaller, bold, colored, or place it inside a table. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.